we are discussing about the stream classes in Java. So let's discuss about what is a stream in Java. Java Stream API is used to process the collection of objects, and it is introduced in Java 8. A stream is a sequence of objects that supports various methods which can be pipelined to produce the desired result. Or we can also state that the stream is an API which is used to transfer a sequence of objects into another. Java.util.stream package consists of classes, interfaces and enums to allow functional style operation on the elements. All the things that we want to use inside the stream are placed under the java.util.stream package. So it is recommended to import the java.util.stream package before using any of the stream classes, interfaces and enums. Let's discuss about the features of Java Stream. A stream is not a data structure. Instead, it takes input from the collection, arrays or input channels. We know that a stream is used to take input from any of the following, that is collection, arrays or input-output channels. But still it is not a data structure. Stream don't change the original data structure. They only provide the result as per the pipeline methods. Each intermediate operation is lazily executed and returns a stream as a result. Hence, various intermediate operations can be pipelined. Terminal operations mark the end of the stream and return the result. So, the output stream which is used to return the result is the terminal operations. Let's discuss about the different types of operations on streams. First of all, we are discussing about the intermediate operation. First one is map. The map method is used to return a stream consisting of the results of the applying function to the elements of this stream. And here is its syntax. List number is equals to array as list 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this way, the number 2, 3, 4, 5 is transferred into a list of arrays. List square is equals to number.stream.map s greater than x into x collects collectors to list. Is in this method number.stream.map, it makes the square and return as a collection to a list. Next intermediate operation is filter. The filter method is used to select elements as per the predicate passed as argument. If we want something as a filtered, means that if we want only something to be passed as an argument, then we can apply filter. For example, list name is equals to array as list, reflection, collection and stream. If we want to utilize only three things, that is reflection, collection and stream, if we want to pass only three things into a list, then we use the filter to pass that arguments. Another example is list result names.stream.filter s dot starts with s. In this program, in this method, only the arguments which start with the capital S, they only are passed by the filter. Next one is sorted. The sorted method is used to sort the stream. Whenever we want to arrange the stream or sort the stream, we can use the sorted method. For example, list name array as list, reflection, collection and stream, and names.stream.sorted collect collectors to list. In this example, those are the arguments. First of all, this sorted accordingly and then transferred by a operations. Next are the terminal operations. Here are the list of some terminal operations. We already know that the terminal operations are used to return the, or we can say that it is used at the last of the string or last of the byte stream. So let's discuss about these. So collect. The collect method is used to return the result of the intermediate operations performed on the string. For example, list number is equals to array.aslist 23453, in which set square is equals to number.stream, which collects the 23453 as a set. The for each method is used to iterate through every element of the string. If we want to traverse the every element of the string, we can use for each method. And here is the syntax: number.stream.map x is do x into x for each y, which is equals to system.println y. So all the things will be traversed from x to y. Next is reduce. The reduce method is used to reduce the elements of a stream to a single value. If we want to make all the streams into a single value, then we can use the reduce method. The reduce method takes a binary operator as a parameter. For example, int even is equals to number.stream.filter x modulus 2 equals 0. It reduced to 0 and answer is reduced to answer plus I. Here are some important points regarding the streams. A stream consists of source followed by 0 or more intermediate methods combined together and a terminal method to process the object obtained from the source as per the methods described. Stream is used to compute elements as per the pipeline methods without altering the original value of the object. So, these are the concepts which we studied in the stream. Thank you.